What every disability insurance policy holder or plan beneficiary needs to know about ERISA. Well, what on earth is ERISA and why do you care? I'm going to explain in this video. So what is ERISA? It's a federal law that will govern employee benefit plans, including disability insurance benefits. But here's the catch. It heavily favors disability insurance companies or plans. ERISA gives disability carriers or plans the power to decide your claim and your appeal. You don't get a jury trial, and usually you don't even get that far. If we ultimately have to file an appeal, it's going to be an appeal to a federal judge. And the federal judge is limited to what was in the carrier's file at the time your claim was denied and your benefits were terminated. So very rarely are we able to submit new evidence. That's why the appeal stage is so important. It's your last chance to build a record in your favor. Now, secondly, I will tell you that many lawyers don't handle ERISA cases because the law is complex. But here at my law firm, we've helped thousands of clients navigate that process. You may be tempted to speak to a lawyer who is a family lawyer, a Social Security lawyer, even a criminal lawyer, a personal injury lawyer. Don't be tempted. They don't understand the ERISA disability law, and it is not a contract law case, as most uninformed attorneys think. I will tell you, there generally isn't a class in law school about ERISA disability benefits, and they're going to be barking up the wrong tree, and you're going to be on the wrong end of that, if you will, when your claim gets denied and no new evidence can be added at the time they file a lawsuit. In fact, they probably will miss the deadlines for filing an appeal because they're going to blow it off. And if you don't timely file an appeal, the federal judge is going to say, too bad, so sad, you have not exhausted your administrative remedies. The third thing is timely completed and well-documented applications are crucial, and you can check out our video about that, but also a timely, complete, and well-documented appeal is crucial. You need to understand the basis of the denial, and the way to do that is to get that claims. The denial letter may read like a work of fiction, and often they do. We need to understand what's the basis of the denial. We need to get the claims file. We need to take that claims file apart. We need to look for their not so honest liar for hire peer review doctors who have cherry-picked the medical records and have come up with reasons why you can do your own occupation or any occupation. And similarly, they have liar for hire vocational evaluators, experts in the world of work, whose job it is to say, well, based on the liar for hire insurance company doctor's opinions, you can do your past work or other work in the national economy, as that term is defined in the policy or the plan. And therefore, we don't think you're disabled based on the combination of the cherry-picking in-house liar for hire peer review doctor and the in-house liar for hire vocational evaluator. At the end of the day, it's our job to address the legal, medical, and vocational reasons why this decision is wrong. We often find 15 to 20 different reasons why this is denial or termination is wrong. And we go about creating, developing, formulating a winning strategy. That can include getting your medical records, having you undergo an FCE or an IME, a consultation with your doctor to get them to address the wrongful denial. It can involve hiring a vocational evaluator to attack that vocational opinion that was the basis of the denial. Of course, we all are going to be doing that within 180 days of the denial or termination. So if your claim has been denied, or if your benefits have been terminated, and you think you're able to file an appeal, I would strongly suggest that, one, you don't wait and you immediately hire an experienced ERISA disability attorney. Remember, the appeal is the trial of your case, and you need to make it count. If you have any questions about the appeals process, if your claim has been denied, benefits terminated, call us today at 727-894-3188 and check out our other videos on the disability claims denial termination process and how to file a winning appeal.